Hello, I'm Darren from eBUYgumm, and I'm just going to show you quickly how to sell a car so you can see just how quick and simple it is. So on the home page here, I'm going to click quick sell. I'm going to type in the title what it is that I'm actually selling, which is an Audi A1. This will bring me up some category suggestions, which is automotive, which I want, of course. This opens up a sub box. Obviously it's a car that I'm selling. Now it gives me a registration, which is fantastic. So all I actually have to do is type in the registration, which is VF16TYH, and click go. What this does is fills all the boxes out for me, leaves me a couple of empty boxes, which is the mileage. I happen to know the mileage, which is 29,500. The trim is part leather, and the service history is full. So the condition, of course, is pre-owned. And now that leaves me to add a few photos. You can grab all at one, which is a nice feature, of course, all at once. So I'm going to grab those and say open. This will add all the photos. Now, remembering the top left image is the first image you will see on the listings, which is very important. So you can drag and drop. I think that's a nice image, so I shall drop that one to be the first. And I can actually move these around all the boxes because I like to put the images of the cars first. And then I put the insides further down. So what we've done is just drag the images across. We come to the actual description, and there we go. That's the description of the vehicle. Now, as quick as that again. So I'm just going to copy that title because I want to put that as the main title. So if I just put that there, Audi A1 2016 Sport in immaculate condition. So I come down to the very bottom, and now I just want to select the duration, which is going to be 28 days. Auto relist is ticked in case it doesn't sell, so it will automatically relist. The price is £11,500. Now, strike a deal. I'll offer strike a deal. That means people can make me an offer. So that's offered, and then we can see which type of payment. Because it's a vehicle, we're going to do cash on collection, or trusty pay, or PayPal. So somebody could pay you a deposit if you wish beforehand. Collection only, and post the listing. It's as quick and it's as simple as that. Obviously I'm showing you how to do it, so it's very, very quick. And there's the ad. Click on the title and it will take us straight to the listing. Here we've got on the right hand side all the vehicle details which somebody needs, and obviously underneath it you can actually put some more of a description. It's as simple as that, guys. I hope you liked it. It's very quick, so please get in touch if you need any help with anything at all, and thanks again for watching.